name is Ochre Ebenezer. I'm in cohort 8 and I'm reading BA Communication Design. And I'm specializing in multimedia. I'm in second year. I chose to do makeup because of photography. Yeah, so I want to have more idea in making clients up before taking them photos. Yeah, that's why I chose to do makeup artistry. And also I'll be doing videography and other stuff. Sometimes when we go on set, we need someone to do that before we start shooting. And sometimes they delay. My experience so far has been nice. We started on a Monday, and on a Monday we were able to finish how to work on the eyebrows, and I did well in that. And then on a Tuesday we moved to working with the foundation and the other. So the facilitators also help us in applying them and also making them better. One thing I would like to add, maybe to motivate others, when you are doing something, don't be looking at what people will say. Yes, if you know what you will use it for, you can go ahead and do it, not minding what people will say about you. So I chose upon myself to come and learn this skill. And me being a Mastercard scholar, it's a privilege for me to take this advantage to learn this skill. So I would like to thank the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at KNUST for giving us the privilege to learn such skills to better our lives.
Hello, my name is Beatrice Ali Mensah. I'm the CEO of the Men's Business Lounge. What we do is that we provide vocational skills training for university students, senior high students, and then school dropouts. We train them in makeup, artistry, nails, and then wig making. I was a student of KNUST. Actually, I was a Mastercard scholar. I graduated in 2020. I actually had passion for makeup even before coming to the university. So when I came to the university and I realized that Mastercard organizes vocational skills training for its scholars, I decided to take the opportunity to learn makeup artistry, and then in level 200 I did makeup again because I wanted to be professional in it. And after school, the little money I saved from NSS and also the stipend I get from Mastercard, I decided to open a shop for myself because I didn't know how the future was going to hold for me. And Mastercard is really doing well. I hope that the students here would be able to take. This year we have 86 students, 2 of them which are guys and then the rest are ladies. What we are doing is that at the end of the training, we want all of them to be able to know how to do makeups for themselves and also for their colleagues, and to be able to gain income from this. So far, they've been able to know the names of the material they are using and also its users, and they are able to do their brows. This is the second day actually, and most of them have a complete makeup look. I would like to say a very big thank you to the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program for giving me the opportunity and also giving the students the opportunity. In 2016 and 2017, we didn't really have all these options to choose from, but then now we have so many options that they can choose from. So thank you very much to Mastercard for giving us this opportunity.